Hi, I'm Michael Cohen. Michael Cohen. They call me the fixer, the fixer, the fixer. Michael Cohen, the fixer. I worked with Donald Trump for over 10 years. Yep, we had a close working relationship. Anything that Trump messed up, I fixed. That's how I got the term the fixer. And I'm not saying I did or didn't fly to Prague to meet with the Ruskies to influence anything, but it was in the Steele dossier, and that's, the Steele dossier. But I'm Michael Cohen, the fixer, and I've helped out my buddy Elliot Broidy and his problems, helped out lots of people, but I mainly work for Donald Trump. And I've been taping stuff in my office. Everybody knew about it. Anybody with any smarts wouldn't say anything to me in my office because I tape everything. But I have it on tape, but now the FBI has that. Donald Trump is screaming. There's no lawyer-client privilege. That's terrible. But hey, here's a fun fact. In the commission of a crime, that nullifies the lawyer-client privilege. If there's a crime committed, privilege is out the door. Out the door, Michael. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, Michael Cohen, the fixer.